Hey guys, today we are doing a review of Xiaomi Travel Business Backpack. So this bag costs 58 New Zealand dollars or around 40 US dollars. So we purchased it from GearBest.com and we were using it for around 2 months already. So here is what we think. This bag has 26 liters capacity and it should fit 15.6-inch laptop. So the reason why I decided to buy this particular backpack is because it's perfect for travels. That's what it says on the website and this is why it's called travel backpack. I can put my camera here, a couple of lenses, laptop, and I thought it should fit drone as well, but it is not. The drone that I have is DJI Phantom 4, it doesn't fit to this backpack. So I guess the smaller drones, for example DJI Spark or DJI Mavic, will be perfect for this size. But if you're looking for a bag for bigger drones, this is not your choice. So this backpack is made from polyester with some special durable cloth. It says that it's anti-scratch and it's super durable, but what I noticed is that if you use it quite actively, you can see all the wrinkles on the surface and they're not going back to original form. Actually, I don't feel like it is really durable. You can wash it, obviously, you can use it while it's raining, but it is not super nice. So the product actually designed really well. I really like how these different materials are organized. Here you have like a city backpack with a nice denim-like style, and here you have this surface that is waterproof. So actually it can fit different outfits. So for example, if you're using it for work or for study, you can mix it with some formal clothes, and if you're going like I go outdoors just in a t-shirt, it still looks pretty nice. Here we have a strap to attach this backpack to other luggage items. For example, with your suitcase. There are a lot of pockets here, so you can put some smaller items over here, over here. There are two big main compartments with a lot of different smaller pockets for example, for your smartphone, for some cash, obviously for laptop, for chargers, for tablets. So it's actually pretty good designs and really well thought through. You can use it as your camera bag, as your laptop bag. If you're going, for example, for short holidays and you want to put some clothes inside, it's still really good for that. It has some straps inside, so you can put different kinds of baggage and divide them. What I noticed is that it's actually really comfortable to use this backpack. So it's not super heavy, it fits to my body really great and I really feel comfortable with it. Do I recommend to buy this Xiaomi backpack? Yes, I do, because it's actually really great in terms of price and what you get for this price. It's actually really good product for pretty reasonable price. So this was our review of this backpack and I hope you liked it. Tell us in comments what you think about this format of videos. If you like these product reviews, we'll do them more often. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and we'll see you soon. Bye bye!